struggling to make kids eat healthy food in their lunchbox?
If you love Thalipeeth, don't miss these 4 delicious twists packed with veggies, protein, and loads of flavor. First one is Beetroot Oats Thalipeeth.
This beetroot sprouts thalipeeth is the perfect solution. Made with the goodness of beetroot, sprouts, and oats, this recipe is rich in iron, fiber, and protein, making it super nutritious for growing kids. It keeps them full for longer, gives them energy throughout the day, and is a great way to include healthy ingredients in a tasty form. The bright color makes it look so attractive, and the soft yet crispy texture makes it even more delicious. This is one recipe every mom should try for their kids.
Second one is,
if you have bottle gourd at home, try the soft and healthy thalipeeth for your kids' lunchbox. Made with the goodness of bottle gourd and chana dal, this recipe is light, nutritious, and keeps kids full for longer. Start with freshly grated bottle gourd. Add chana dal and curd batter. Then mix in wheat flour, finely chopped onions, green chili, garlic, jeera, some dry spices, fresh coriander, and salt. Make a soft dough and spread it gently like thalipeeth. Cook on a hot tawa until both sides turn golden and slightly crispy.
Third one is all about spring onions.
This spring onion thalipeeth is a must-try. You won't believe how soft, tasty, and flavorful this spring onion thalipeeth turns out. First, finely chop fresh spring onions, then add boiled and grated potatoes, wheat flour, jowar flour, little curd, green chili, jeera, fresh coriander, and salt. Add water little by little and make a soft dough-like batter. Now take a small portion, place it on a wet cotton cloth and gently tap it into a round shape like this. Carefully transfer to hot tawa and cook with little ghee or oil until both sides turn golden and crispy.
Last one is all about green dill leaves.
Don't skip dill leaves until you've tried this crispy sweet corn recipe. Think your kids won't eat dill leaves? This recipe will change that. First, trim the roots of the fresh dill leaves, wash them well, and finely chop them. Finely chop 1 boiled corn cob and add it to the dill. Now add jowar flour, wheat flour, besan, crushed ginger garlic, chili flakes, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, salt, and a little water. Mix everything into a soft dough. Since I'm making this for a school lunchbox, I pat it like a thalipeeth, drizzle a little oil around the edges, and cook it on a hot tawa until both sides are golden and crispy.